Hi, I'm Justin Rigling, CTO at Rigado, and I'm here to tell you about our new BMD-340 RF module. This module is based on Nordic Semiconductor's powerful new nRF52840. The BMD-340 is one of the first RF solution modules to take advantage of all the Bluetooth 5 features, including long range, up to 1,000 meters, high data rates, up to 2 megabits per second, and extended advertising. The BMD-340 joins the full Rigado line of modules based on the Nordic nRF52 series, and one of the particularly interesting things about this line is that all these modules are sub-footprint compatible. They're designed so you can use the same board socket across the family of connected products and leverage the modules for the nRF52 810, 832, and 840 based on the performance and cost of each product. Of course, like all Rigado modules, the BMD-340 comes with global certifications and an evaluation kit to help you accelerate development. And our support team is always here to help with any questions you may have along the way. Thanks for watching, and to find out more, visit us at rigado.com.